All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at MicroStrategy today. The main reason this has my attention is because Bitcoin is starting to run higher again. It's not near its highs or old highs or anything like that, but you can definitely see this starting to perk up. Green skyscrapers here, which we like. So here's the thing with MicroStrategy. This is basically a leveraged Bitcoin play. And the reason is because Michael Saylor uses the stock and uses convertibles to raise money and buy Bitcoin. So the enterprise software business that has been the core of MicroStrategy's company really ain't that great, really doesn't grow that much. And you can see that on the on the chart here. I'm using Market Surge here or Market Smith, and you can see their gross margin. Okay, that's great, but their earnings are really, really sloppy. Their revenues, this is absolutely sucked. A couple quarters ago, and then this one ending March, same thing. This is not the kind of action on the fundamentals that you want to see. Oh, what's the 3 to 5 year growth rate? I know, nothing. What's their PE? Nothing. What's their projected EPS for this year? Down 120% from 2778 last year. I don't even know that math. It seems like it'd be a heck of a lot more than that, but I'm not a mathematician. But you compare the fundamentals, which frankly, they suck, with an RS rating of 99. Okay, that's a pretty good reading here. And we ultimately make money on the technicals. Now, I've done a little bit of research, and it took a quick online search of about 12 seconds to see that the date that MicroStrategy first trades on a 10-for-1 split is on August 1st. So that means that a current price of $1,757 will actually be trading at $175.70, which makes it a lot more viable for people. It'll also make the options easier to trade because the spread between the bid and the ask will be narrower. So I think the stock is going to calm down and give people an opportunity to really trade this in the traditional manner, as opposed to just buying the stock, closing your eyes, crossing your fingers, and hoping that, God willing, things will work out. So watch this stock. And if it breaks through 1,800 or $180 post split, I think you're going to see this stock run really, really nicely as long as Bitcoin Bitcoin cooperates. So anyway, and by the way, with respect to Bitcoin, after the halving, it takes a few months for us to really see the big move in Bitcoin, and those months are kind of ticking by. So we're getting pretty close to where Bitcoin should be taken off again. So anyway, just something to keep in mind. I will talk to you next time.